Hello student, welcome to Math Academy. This is the previous questions about find the surface generators by revolving the curve. This is the minor and major questions also. We cannot see my lecture, then they can watch my lecture so that they can clear about it. So how can solve these questions? This is the question about the surface generator revolving the curve. The question is about x-axis. There are two types of question. This is the x-axis, another is the y-axis. What is the formula of x-axis? Tips. The formula in x-axis is, suppose the integrations a to b. This is the x-axis. When it is the x-axis, what is the area of this formula? This is the formula 2 pi y 1 plus dy over dx whole square root over with respect to dx, because this is the x-axis. Whenever this is the y-axis, what is this formula? Integration a to b. This is the 2 pi x 1 plus dx over dy whole square root over with respect to dy. This is the two formula, so that this help I could solve these questions. So this is the x-axis, so I apply this formula. So what is this formula? And we need the dy by dx. What is the y? Y is my root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. So you can derivative dy over dx. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x minus, what is the derivative? 1 by 3 will be constant. What is the formula for x to the power 3 by 2? So 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So when you subtract 3 by 2 minus 1, this is the 1 by 2. So I will write 1 by 2 root x. The 3 will cancels. Then 1 by 2. This is the x to the power half. I can write root x. This is the formula. So what is the formula for? This is the derivative of dy by dx. What is the formula for area? Area equal to a to b. So this is the lower limit 1 and upper limit 3. So 1 to 3 and 2 pi y 1 plus dy by dx whole square root over with respect to dx. So integration 1 to 3, then 2 pi y. 2 pi, what is the value of y? Y is this root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 and into what is the formula? 1 plus root over of 1 plus, what is the formula of dy by dx? This is the minus 1 by 2 root x minus 1 by 2 root x whole square. This is the integration 1 to 3 2 pi root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 into, this is the 1 plus, this is the a and this is the b. Then the, what is the formula for a minus b? Then a square plus b square minus 2ab. When you square 1 by 2 1 by 4 and root x square will be x and 1 by 4 and root x square will be x. This is the a square plus b square minus 2 and a is 1 by 2 root x and b is 1 by 2 into root x. Then root x cancels and 2 and 2 will cancel, minus 1 by 2. So integration 1 to 3 2 by root 2x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 into, this is the 1 plus 1 by 4x plus x by 4 minus 1 by 2. When you add them, this is the 1 and this is the minus half. Then the result will be, this is the area equal to integration 1 to 3. This is the 2 pi root x minus 1 by 3. 2 pi root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 into this is the 1 and minus half. When you subtract them, 1 and minus half will half, then half plus 1 by 4x plus x by 4 root over dx. So half plus 1 by 4x plus x by 4. This is the 1 by 4x plus x by 4 root over with respect to dx. This is the questions. 1 by 4x plus x by 4 root over with respect to dx. So this is the integrations 1 to 3. This is the 2 pi. This is the root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. Then LCM will be 4x for 2, LCM will be 4x. When you divide 4x 2, this result will be 2, and this is the 2 into x, 2x plus 4x and 4x will be divide 1, 1 into 1, 1 plus when you divide 4x and 4, this is x, x into x will be x square. This is the dx root overs. This into 1 to 3, 2 pi. This is the root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. This is the a plus b whole square. So I will write 1 plus x whole square by 4x root over. Then this is the 1 to 3, 2 pi root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. This is the root over and square will cancel. This is the 1 plus x and 4 root over will be 2 and root x will be remains. Then 2 and 2 will be considered. Then pi will constant remain constant will be outside the integrations. So root x minus 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. This is the 1 plus x by root x. So this root x can be divided by this. So pi 1 by 3. When you divide, then the root x and the root x will be cancels out. So this is the 1 minus this is the 1 by 3 and this is the x to the power 3 by 2 and this is the root x. Then the remaining will be x. Okay, this is the all into 1 plus x. Root x will be divide this and pi integrations. This is the 1 by 3. Then the LCM will be 3. Then 3 into 1 will be 3 minus 3x into 1 plus x. So pi into, when you multiplying them, 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into, this is the plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3x minus x into 1 is equal to minus x, and minus plus minus x into x square over 3 into dx and dx. This is the pi integration 1 to 3. This is the 3 and 3x and minus x. 3x minus x will be plus 2x minus x square over 3. So this is the 3 will be constant, 1 by 3 will be remaining. This is the 1 by 3. This is 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to dx. Then integrate them. What is this? This is the pi by 3 and the 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. So pi by 3 will be constant. I will write again. This is the pi by 3 a equal to integration 1 to 3. This is the pi by 3 will be constant. This will be 3 plus 2x minus x square. 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to dx. So this is the pi by 3. So 3 integration will be 3x and upper limit equal to 1 to 3 and 2 into x integration will x square will 2 upper limit 1 to 3 upper limit lower limit will be change. And this is the x square by 3 and 1 to 3 limit. So this is the pi by 3 and 3 into 3 minus 1 upper limit minus lower limit 2 cancels and x will be 3 to square. This is the 3 to square minus 1 to square and minus 3 रो cube minus 1 रो cube over 3. This is the answer. Pi by 3. This is the 3 minus 1 2, 2 into 3 6 plus 3 square 9, 9 minus 1 8 minus 3 रो cube 27, 27 minus 1 26 by 3. So this is the pi by 3. On LCM will be 3, 6 3 ja 18 plus 24 minus 26. So pi by 3. This is the 18s and minus this is the 24 minus 2 by 3. This is the pi by 3 into 18 minus 2 equal to 16 by 3, and this is the 16 pi by 9. This is the answers of the given question. This is the long questions carrying 6 marks. Okay. Another question is asked about concavity of this functions 1 by 3 x cube minus 9x plus 2. So always remember the tips. Concavity. What is the meaning of concavity? And there are the two types concavity. One is concavity upward, another is concavity downward. When a function is said to be concave upward, when f double dot c is greater than 0, this is the upwards. C is the critical point, CP, critical point. And downward becomes f double dot c less than 0. And we'll find this critical point. We will find the critical point by the help of second derivative and put it 0. So by this help I'll solve these questions. Solutions. This is the tips for you. This is the also previous year questions, PYQ. So the given question is fx is equal to 1 by 3 x cube minus 9x plus 2. The target is find. First I will find f dash x. What the derivative of x? F dash x. 1 by 3 will be constant, x square will be by 3x square, and 9x will be 9 constant, and x derivative will be 1. Sorry, 0. 1 and 2 derivative will be 0. So this is the 3 and 3 will be cancelled, x square minus 9. What is the second derivative? F double dash x, and x square derivative will be 2x, and 9 derivative will be 0. So I will write to find CP in the concavity point. Put f double dash equal to 0, and what is the value of f double dash x? 2x, and 2x equal to 0, and x equal to 0 is the CP. CP means critical point. So you have to see the clearly. This is the 0, and right side will be, it goes to plus infinity, and it is goes to minus infinity. This is the interval contains 1 2 3 4 and so on. This is the interval contains minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So we know this interval, if you put second derivative, then it becomes, if you put x equal to 0, then the total becomes 0. The critical point is definition will be when this function is it becomes 0, then it is critical point. On the right side, if you put x equal to 1 2 3 any number, any second derivative, any number, so I will put f double dash 1, then it comes 2 into 1 will be 2, and 2 is greater than 0, and 3 4 5 is always greater than 0. So if you second derivative, the formula is if second derivative greater than 0, then function is concavity upward. So I will find this intervals, then the interval is right, 0 to infinity upon intervals, then the concavity upward, concavity upwards. And this is the minus infinity to 0, obviously it is downward. If you put negative number, then it's put negative. If you put ever double dash -1, then it is equals 2 into -1 is equal to -2. Then I will write minus infinity to 0, this is the concavity downward. So this is the intervals of this given questions. This is the another question which comes out in a equation of a tangent line of the given graph r of t is equal to 2 cos pi t I cap plus 2 sin pi t j cap plus 60 k cap at a point where t equal to t naught equal to 1/3. Tips: whenever this types of equation of a tangent line, what is the equation of tangent line? The equation of tangent line of the graph at r of t, graph r of t at a point t naught is given by, or the formula for r of t. This is the r of t naught plus t into r dash t naught. This is the equation of tangent line of the graph r of t at a point t naught. So by this formula I will solve this question. So what is the r of t solution? So r of t means 2 cos pi t I cap plus 2 sin pi t j cap plus 60 k cap. So first I will find r of t naught. So t naught becomes 1/3. So t naught equal to 1/3. So I will put t naught equal to 1/3. So r of 1/3. What is the value of r of 1/3? 2 cos pi into t is 1/3. This is the I cap plus 2 sin pi. What is the value of t? T is 1/3. J cap 6, t is 1/3. K cap. So this will cancels 2. 3 2 is 6. And this is the, what is the value of cos pi by 3? What is the value of cos pi by 3? 2. Cos pi by 3 means 180/3, 60. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 equal to half. Because 180/3, this is the 60. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 equal to half. 2 cancels. This is the equal. Now what is the cos 60? Sin 60. Sin 60 equal to √3/2. So 2 into √3/2 j cap. Then 2 into 1 2 into k cap. This is the I cap, and 2 and 2 will cancels. This is the √3 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is the r of 1/3. Then again find r dash t. What is the value of r of t? This is the r of t. And what is the derivative of? Then minus 2 pi cos pi t dt minus sin pi t and minus pi, and pi t dt will be pi. This is the 2 pi sin pi t I cap. Now what is the derivative of? Plus, then pi will be constant, 2 pi cos pi t j cap. What is the derivative of 60 into k cap? 6 into k cap. This is the derivative. So then put t naught equal to 1/3. Again put t naught, because I will find the r dash t naught. So r dash t naught will be 1/3. If you put minus 2 into pi sin pi, what is the value of t? T equal to 1/3 into I cap plus 2 pi cos pi. What is the value of t? T is 1/3 into j cap plus 6 into k cap. Is the constant. So minus 2 pi. This is the sin pi by 3. What is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 into I cap plus 2 pi. What is the value of cos 60? And cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. This is the 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What is the result? Minus root 3 pi I cap plus pi j cap plus 6 k cap. This is the r dash t naught, means 1 by 3. So what is the formula? Formula is r of t equal to r of t naught plus t r dash t naught. So r of t equal to, right, r of 1 by 3 plus t into r dash 1 by 3. What is the value of r of 1 by 3? Right, r of 1 by 3. R of 1 by 3 I cap plus root 3 j cap. I cap plus root 3 j cap. Then plus 2 k cap. Plus 2 k cap. Plus t into, what is the value of r dash t naught? 1 by 3. R dash 1 by 3 equal to root 3 minus root 3 pi I cap minus root 3 pi I cap plus pi j cap plus pi j cap, and this is the plus 6 k cap. Plus 6 k cap. So this is the I cap plus root 3 j cap plus 2 k cap minus t root 3. This is the minus root 3 t into pi I cap. This is the plus t pi j cap plus 6 t k cap multiplying t. So this is the I cap, this is the I cap. When I cap will be common, this is the 1 and minus root 3 t pi, and this is the j cap and this is the j cap, and j cap will be common plus this is the root 3 plus this is the pi t, and 2 k cap at 6 t into k cap. When will be common k cap, this is the 2 plus 60. 2 plus 60. We all know this is the, suppose I will write r of t is equal to x of I cap plus y of j cap plus z of k cap. When I cap remaining coefficient, I cap coefficient will be x and j cap coefficient will be y and k cap coefficient will be z. So this is the x of t, this is the y of t, this is the z of t. So this is the x of t, this is the y of t, this is the z of t. This is the solution of the given questions. Means a tangent at a lines. This is the x of t, y of t, z of t. The another questions, how to eliminate the parameters t between the parametric functions. So t the parameter, we will target is find how to eliminate t. So this is the also previous questions. So how to solve these questions? This is the parametric equation. How it is a parametric equation? Because the x is equal to 40 minus 1 and the y is 30 plus 2. So solution is mine. So I will write the equations x equal to 40 minus 1 and y equal to 30 plus 2. So if you consider y equal to 3t plus 2, then in this equation, so this is the x and x equal to 40 minus 1. So find the value of t in this equation. So the 40 equal to x plus 1, because 40 equal to minus 1 will be plus 1, and my t equal to x plus 1 over 4. This t. So putting the value of t in this given equations. So 3 into, what is the value of t? T is my x plus 1 over 4 and a plus 2, and imply that y equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1, 3 over 4 plus 2. So this is the LCM will be 4, and 3x plus 3 plus 4 to the 8. There are 3x plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 by 4. This is the y. So When you solve these equations, this is the 4 into y 4y equal to 3x plus 11. So 4y minus 3x minus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line. Slope 3/4. So my target is find eliminating t. So eliminating, there will be no term of a t. There will be no term of a t. So this is the required equation. So thank you. If you like this video, subscribe my channels, comment, so that and bell notification will be on, so that you will get all the lecture video. Thank you.